Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing a clean clip at the highest resolution you have. This preserves highlight detail. Once imported, set the project frame rate and aspect ratio to match your target output, and immediately duplicate the base layer so you have a separate layer for glow work. You do this because HDR-like effects need a preserved original plus a manipulated copy for additive blending. Make sure to keep exposure conservative on the base, so the glow layer can create the punch without clipping. Now you craft the actual glow and color punch. On the duplicate, add Gaussian blur, higher for 4K, lower for 1080p, then set the layer blend to add or screen and dial the opacity until highlights look natural. Next, add curves to push highlights up and drop just a touch of shadow. Increase saturation or vibrance modestly to avoid oversaturation. You move between preview and full screen to check how the glow interacts with skin tones and bright elements. Finish by fine-tuning global color correction. Slightly lift highlights and recover shadows so you retain detail across the tonal range. If you want more style, apply a gentle LUT or vignette and reduce opacity to blend. Once done, render a short test clip and check on multiple displays. If you notice clipping, banding, or blown highlights, reduce the glow layer opacity and pull down the highlight curve. That simple adjustment usually fixes the most common HDR look problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.